Today lecture I'm going to discuss about how to connect MySQL to Python. So first here, if I go on this command prompt, right there Python --version. Then you can see Python version 3.12.3 that already installed. And if I write there MySQL, then you can see MySQL self workbench, this all there. So here going to connect with the MySQL workbench. So here let's give this is the root localhost 3306. Give the password. Then you can see this place, this database that's available inside the MySQL. The next is we need to install. So here let's write pip install mysql connector -python. So we need to install here mysql connector. Press enter. So for this one, internet must be connected. Here collecting mysql connector. Successfully install mysql connector 8.40 version. So this must be installed. After that, the next is let's write there Python. Then we can enter inside the Python console. There you can test any kind of code. So let's write there print hello world. So this here hello world that's displaying. Now let's do the connection with MySQL and Python. So for this one we need to use this code. So importing MySQL connector, DB information we need to give user, host, database. And here using the cursor, DB cursor, and thereafter cursor that execute this query, and here cur.fetch this fetch all rows, and after that store into row and print the value of row. So now let's copy this and you need to paste there. So here this all finds, press enter. One time press enter once again. So here you can see this is now returning employees table records. Sorry, city table records. City tables record that's displaying. Total numbers of rows are 600. So this all rows. Thereafter you can use any kind of table. So sakila that using, let's use here actor. So in place of or this city, let's include this time actor. And now copy and paste there. Paste there. So here importing MySQL connector, then db equal to mysql connector connect. So this connecting with this. Here you can see sakila database that's using currently. So if you are using other database this world, then you can keep there. And after that here cur db cursor, that call the cursor, then cur.execute this query, and this cur that fetch all the records store into row, then after printing the values. So here you can see this time cities record that's displaying. Total numbers of rows are 200. So this is how we can connect MySQL to Python. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.